As 2025 approaches to a close, the global AI industry is entering its most significant structural reset since the start of the current innovation cycle. For the first time, capital markets, enterprise buyers, and infrastructure providers are aligning around a common reality. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. By 2026, the growth of AI will be limited less by chip supply and far more by constraints in power capacity, inference costs, and the physical infrastructure needed to support large-scale intelligence. The rapid expansion of AI has pushed data centers to their limits, with soaring energy demands and mounting pressure on electrical grids worldwide. As semiconductor shortages ease, the bottleneck is shifting towards the availability of power, cooling, and next generation data center architectures capable of handling massive model workloads. Inference economies are emerging as a decisive factor, with enterprises increasingly focusing on the cost of running AI models at scale rather than simply training them. This shift is forcing companies to rethink deployment strategies, optimize workloads, and invest in efficient model architectures. The coming year will redefine competitive advantage in AI, rewarding organizations that can balance performance with infrastructure sustainability. As the market resets, power, cost, and physical capacity, not chips, will determine the pace of AI's next wave. Let's look into today's headlines. Google to launch Android 17 Cinnamon Bun by mid-2026. Google is set to release Android 17, internally called Cinnamon Bun, by mid-2026. Following its usual schedule, a developer preview is expected in late 2025 with beta builds in early 2026 and a stable rollout around June. The update, succeeding Android 16 Baklava, promises visual and functional enhancements. Google continues its dessert-themed named tradition, which includes past releases like vanilla ice cream, tiramisu, and red velvet cake. Apple moves Delhi High Court against new antitrust penalty framework. Apple has approached the Delhi High Court challenging India's new antitrust law, which allows the Competition Commission of India to calculate penalties based on global turnover. The company argues the rule is unconstitutional and could expose it to fines of up to $38 billion. The case follows ongoing CCI investigations triggered by complaints from Indian startups and Match Group over Apple's in-app purchase commissions. Apple has denied engaging in any abusive practices. Social media age limits for teens spread beyond Australia after Australia moved to ban under 16s from using major social media apps. Several countries are now considering similar restrictions. Governments in Denmark, Brazil, Indonesia, and Malaysia have signaled support for stricter age-based controls, while Spain, New Zealand, and Singapore are also exploring teen-focused regulations. The global push follows rising concerns over online harm, addiction, and safety, and could reshape how platforms like TikTok and Instagram operate for younger users worldwide. Russia plans WhatsApp ban and pushes users towards local messaging apps. Russia is considering a complete ban on WhatsApp, accusing it of failing to prevent crime and urging users to switch to domestic messaging services. Meta, WhatsApp's parent company, claims the move targets secure communication rights. Moscow wants messengers to provide law enforcement access to user data. The decision follows prior restrictions on calls and is part of a broader crackdown on Western social media amid concerns over surveillance and government control. Dell enhances AI factory to streamline enterprise AI adoption. Dell Technologies has upgraded its Dell AI factory to simplify and accelerate enterprise AI deployment. The enhancements boost performance, automation, and control with resilient on-premises infrastructure. With 85% of enterprises planning to move AI on-premises, Dell's expanded portfolio aims to streamline adoption, reduce bottlenecks, and deliver repeatable outcomes. The Dell automation platform now provides validated, optimized, and secure solutions, helping organizations unlock the full potential of AI across Dell's partner ecosystem. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.